Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Lexus ES350 key fob. This is a very easy method that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You will only need one new CR2032 coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver, or you can even use the emergency key itself. Let's get started and save you some time and money. First, let's open your key fob. Look for a small button on the side of the fob, usually marked push. Press this button and slide out the emergency mechanical key. This key is not just for opening your door, it's also your primary tool here. Insert the tip of the emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into the notch where the key was and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Now that your key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Carefully pry it out of its holder. It's important to note the orientation of the old battery, specifically which side, usually the positive side, is facing up. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case and press them together until you hear them snap securely into place. Next, slide the emergency mechanical key back into its slot until it locks. Finally, test your key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.